happy Mother's Day. So unfortunately, we're not at the RSA in Tipton, and unfortunately, we are disappointed to say that church activities over the next few months or whatever will not be happening here at Excel Church. However, we are going online to make things digital so that we can still join together as a community. So here's what's coming up at Excel Church over the next few months. Every Sunday, Excel Church is going live online from 11 a.m. So join us to stay connected and worship God together. So you can get this on YouTube, or you can just head to this website, excelchurch.online.church.
Nothing else that we need more.
So guys, today is National Day of Prayer, and what a time for that to be happening. So you can join us tonight on Zoom at 6 p.m. to pray, and you can also be praying in your own time. If you're signed up to our emails, then you will have the link in your inbox. But if not, drop us a message and we'll send you the link straight away. So every evening at 7:30, we're going to be hosting a daily devotion for all our church members and others. So if you want to join us, that's happening every day at 7:30 on Facebook. So you can join us for a 10-minute video of encouragement, prayer and inspiration.
Solid rock, can we just end?
So that's all for Excel News. Remember, now more than ever is important to stay connected, and we've got the whole online world to do that. But pick up a phone, call someone if you know someone's isolating, and let's stay connected as a church. You can keep up to date with everything we're doing on our social media and on our website. So hit us up and stay connected.